Hi, my name's Oscar and I'm type 1 diabetic. I'm 12 years old and I was diagnosed 10 months ago when I was 11.
Hi, my name's Anya. I'm 12 years old. I'm a type 1 diabetic and I was diagnosed 2.5 years ago. During school, I thought it was going to be really, really hard. But in school, the people in school are really, really supportive and they are always there just in case.
Getting diagnosed with diabetes can be both physically and mentally straining, but you'll still get through it because everyone around you is just there to support you in the hard time.
We wanted to make this video to raise an awareness for type 1 diabetes because there are so many people around the world living with this condition. The 4 T's, do you want to do that bit? The 4 T's are thirst, thin. Do you not know the 4 T's?
No.
I'll do it by myself then.
This is so funny.
Right, go. The 4 T's are thinner, thirst, toilet. I forget the last one. Tiredness. Right, you do tiredness.
No, keep that. That's
tiredness.
perfect.
No, I'm going to do it. Right, ready? The 4 T's are thirst, thinner, toilet,
and tiredness. In St. Ronan's College, all the staff members are very supportive and they're always trying to help you in different ways to help support you in your condition.
The thing my family really like the most is that they can let me go to school and they know that I am in good hands. 3, 2, 1, action.
As part of our Diabetes Awareness Week, we've all decided to paint our nails blue.
And we've also decided to do a balloon challenge. The balloon challenge is where you do your daily tasks while balancing a balloon. The balloon is representing type 1 diabetes and how it is really hard trying to do daily tasks while managing diabetes. Every post you do on Instagram or any social media, you raise £5 to that charity.
Do you want to say bye?
Bye!